Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting After Effects tutorial. In this video, I will create this. Before we move forward, if you're new to this channel, I want to let you know that I have some amazing After Effects templates on my website waiting for you. Do check them out and save your time. Let's dive into After Effects. Let's create a new composition by clicking this box. Name this comp as main comp. The resolution of this composition is Full HD at 30 frames per second for a cinematic look. Next, I select the text tool and write anything, for example, Chrome, then align it to the center. For your reference, I use this font. Next, pre-compose this layer and name this comp as Text Holder. Then check this icon and click OK. Next, I'm going to import an environment map video. You can download this video by the link in the description, then simply place it below the text layer. Next, pre-compose this layer as well and name this comp as Map. Check this box and click OK. Next, locate the Track Matte panel and change the matte to Alpha Matte. Then go to the Effects panel and search for CC Blobulize Effects. Simply apply it to the map layer. Next, go to the Effects Control panel and change the settings. Change Blob Layer to Text Holder. Change softness to around 10 and set the cutaway value to 35. Then add another effect to this layer called Sea Glass. After adding it, change the settings. Under Surface, change Bump Map to Text Holder. Then change Height to 5. As you can see, our text is already looking like shiny metal. Next, it's time to add an adjustment layer. Make sure it's placed above all the layers. Then go to the Effects panel and search for 3D Glasses effect. Simply apply it to this layer. Then change some settings. Change Left View to Adjustment Layer 1. And do the same with Right View. Next, change Scene Convergence to 1. And lastly, change 3D View to Balanced Colored Red-Blue. It's almost complete. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Noise. Apply it to this layer and change the noise amount to 3. It adds realistic depth. Next, add another effect called Brightness and Contrast. Change the following settings. Brightness value around 100. Contrast value around -35. Next, add one more effect called Sharpen. Change the sharpen value to 10. It will stand out all the details. And lastly, add a glow effect to this layer. Change the following settings. Glow threshold around 80, glow radius 34, glow intensity around 0.8. Nice. It's time to animate this title. Place the time indicator at the first frame, then select the map layer and press T to open its opacity value. Then add a keyframe at this point and change the value to 0. Now move the time indicator to around 3 seconds and change the opacity to 100%. Next, select the first keyframe and make it Easy Ease. Then go to the graph editor and change the graph like this. Let's check the animation. It's looking so satisfying. So, that's how you can create a cinematic Chrome title intro in After Effects. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, consider buying me a coffee. Your support makes a big difference and helps me keep creating awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.